Flexlock. Flexlock Sand offers an advanced haze-free technology. Sets within 1 hour above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius, and is rain-safe within 1 hour after water activation. Flexlock is the only manufacturer offering a 15-year warranty. Flexlock Sand colors sandy beige and graphite gray, designed for paver joints up to 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, that will last and enhance the pavers of today. They are recommended for a variety of uses, including pool decks, patios, footpaths, driveways, parking spaces, and more. Spreads Flexlock Sand with hard bristle broom. Make sure it completely fills the joints. Leave a layer on the surface to aid in vibrating and consolidating into the joints. Vibrate Flexlock Sand into the paver joints using a vibratory plate compactor. A rubber pad is recommended not to damage any of the pavers. It is best to compact in several directions to ensure there are no air gaps or voids in the joints. Repeat the sweeping and compacting steps twice. Sweep off excess polymeric sand from the paved surface, first with a hard bristle broom, then a soft bristle broom. Level must be at least 1/8 of an inch, 3 millimeters below the top paver surface, or 1/8 inch, 3 millimeters below the chamfer. Use a leaf blower to remove all remaining residue from the paved surface. Use a watering gun. Watering must be started at the lowest point. Shower water on a specific area at 100 square feet. Wait no longer than 2 to 3 minutes. Never allow paved surface to dry out during the water activation phase. Shower and rinse simultaneously so as to eliminate Flexlock Sand residue left on the pavers. Wait no longer than 2 to 3 minutes. Shower water on a specific area, 100 square feet. Shower and rinse simultaneously so as to eliminate any residue. Any residue should go directly into the paver joints. However, stop showering when you see water retention on the paver joints. Use a leaf blower to remove any excess water remaining on the paver pores and crevices. This blowing action is necessary to help remove any remaining residue left on paver surface from the previous steps. Flexlock Sand offers an advanced haze-free technology. Sets within 1 hour above 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius, and is rain-safe within 1 hour after water activation. Flexlock is the only manufacturer offering a 15-year warranty. Flexlock Sand. To learn more, visit us at flexlock.com.